Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you a really cute and quick tutorial on how to bedazzle this Milano di Rouge brush. I actually did two different looks. Initially I put a heart on the back of the brush and then I bedazzled the brush and then I was like, I really don't like it. So I removed the heart and then I did a different look, but I wanted to show you guys uh how I did the heart if you wanted to see, because maybe someone might like that look. So I'm really loving the Milano brand and just the owner and the story behind the brand. I think is super inspirational. And Milano di Rouge stands for Making Dreams Reality, which I think is um just so important to me right now where I am in my life. So I love this brush. It means a lot to me to see that logo every day. Just I don't know. I just love it. So I blinged out this brush and I use my Swarovski crystals. But it just I don't know, it just feels like luxury when you're in Milano. Especially because it's owned by, another black woman, which I think is super inspirational. I actually met her in person and she was just so nice, and I really look forward to working with her one day. So yeah, so I removed the heart, as you can see, from the brush because I just wasn't feeling it. It looked a little lopsided to me, so I was over it. So I'm taking this glue, and I've never used this glue before, but this is the first time I used the glue. So it's the Gorilla Glue, and it's also made by the company that makes E6000, which I believe is Electric Works or electric products. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to try this out and see if I like it. And I really do like it. I think it dries a little bit slower, but it's still a great glue. So I'm definitely going to give it another shot. So as you guys can see, I use my regular crystal um, Swarovski crystals, and then I'm using the little heart crystals, and then I have these little diamond shaped chrome crystals that you see me placing. So I'm not placing the stone in any type of order. I'm just placing it one by one so that I'm filling the gaps and filling the space. So I'm pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you got a lot out of it. I hope that I have inspired you to bedazzle your own Milano di Rouge brush. And if you'd like for me to recreate this look for you or put your name on the brush or just whatever, I got you. So I'll see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at Blossom and Jasmine, and subscribe to my YouTube. Remember to turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you lots, and until then, stay amazing and gorgeous. Always blossoming Jasmine.